So today we were talking about one-step linear equations. So we started to solve linear equations, and I have 4 examples that will help you to do the homework. In this case, problem number 1, or A, is c plus 4 equals to negative 9. In today's class, we talk about isolate the variable. And we mentioned that to isolate the variable is to leave it alone. So I just cover the variable. Okay, that's what I do. I cover the variable. In this case, it's c. And then I look at the operation that I have here. So it's plus 4. So I'm going to use the inverse of that operation. So if I have addition, I'm going to use subtraction. So minus 4 minus 4. And remember, today we talk about the golden rule of equations. Whatever you do in one side of your equation, you do it in the other side. So if you do subtraction in the left, you do subtraction in the right. So in this case, proceed to the operation. Plus 4 minus 4, or 4 minus 4 is 0. So I cross out. That's cancels out. So 4 minus 4 is 0. And I drop the variable. So I have c equals 2. And then I have negative 9 minus 4 is the addition of 2 negative numbers. So we're going to add these 2. And the sign is going to be negative. Okay? So I have negative 9 plus negative 4 is equals to negative 13. Now, remember that in class, we decided to prove if that answer was correct. How I do it? I know that c is equals to negative 13, so I proceed to make the substitution. So I have negative 13 plus 4 is equals to, and we don't know because we haven't proceeded the operation, negative 9. And then you say negative 13 plus 4 is equals to negative 9 equals to negative 9, which is true. Okay, so that's the way we prove that the answer is correct. So we're done with example A. Let's move to example B. Example B, in this case, I have f plus 9 equals to 20. Here I have c plus 4. Now here is f plus 9. We proceed to isolate the variable. Leave the variable alone. So I cover it. And I see which operation do I have. It's plus 9. So I'm going to use the inverse of that operation. So minus 9, both sides of the equation. So cross out this operation. This 9 minus 9 is 0, so they go away. Drop f is equals to 20 minus 9 equals to 11. In this case, 20 is bigger than negative 9, so my answer is going to be positive, and 20 minus 9 is equals to 11. Remember, now I have 11 plus 9 is equals to, and I put a question mark because I know I haven't done that operation, 20. And so 11 plus 9 is equals to 20 equals to 20. So yes, it checked. So that's the right solution. Okay, so let's move to 6. What we have. 6 is equals to x plus 2. Now the only difference in this operation is that x is in the right side. So it doesn't matter. We do the same. We cover the variable x. And what is the operation that I have? Plus 2. So I'm going to use the inverse of that operation. In this case, minus 2. Minus 2. Okay? 2 minus 2 is 0. So I just cross out. 6 minus 2 is equals to 4 equals to x. 4 equals to x, or if you want, x equals to 4 by commutative property. You can switch these ones. X equals to 4, and it's the same. Both are the same. Okay? So if you want to prove, so I have here 6 equals question mark. What is the value of x? 4. 4 plus 2, so 6 is equals to 4 plus 2 equals to 6. So yes, that's correct. Let's do D. So in this case, I have negative 5 plus a equals to 21. So what I'm going to do is cover your variable. Okay, I'm using this thing. So you cover the variable. Which operation do you have? You have a negative 5. So let's use the inverse of that number, the opposite of that number. So I have plus 5 to the other side of the equal sign. And then this one goes away because they are opposite. So this is 0. So drop the variable. So A is equals to 21 plus 5 is equals to 26. So A equals 26. You can prove it. So negative 5 plus 26 is equals to, question mark, because we don't know, 21. And negative 5 plus 26 is equals to 21 equals 21. So far, this one checks is correct. So that's what we do. One-step equation using addition and subtraction. Remember that we have two, addition and subtraction, multiplication and division. And I'm going to post the video of the second part later. So that's 4 examples that will help you with this one-step equation. If you still have any question, please let me know, comment section, or send me an email, and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you.